Landmark judgments in India that shaped modern law and society. Introduction. India's judiciary has played a pivotal role in interpreting and upholding the Constitution. Through landmark judgments, the courts have addressed critical issues, protected fundamental rights, and shaped the country's legal landscape. These decisions have far-reaching effects on society, governance, and individual rights. We will explore some of the most influential judgments that have defined modern India and their impact on law and society. 1. Keswananda Bharti v. State of Kerala, 1973. Key issue: Doctrine of Basic Structure. The Supreme Court established the Basic Structure doctrine to protect the fundamental principles of the Constitution. It ruled that while Parliament has the power to amend the Constitution, it cannot alter its basic structure. This judgment ensured the Constitution's integrity and safeguarded democracy in India. Impact: strengthened judicial review, prevented arbitrary amendments by the legislature. 2. Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India, 1978. Key issue: expansion of Article 21 right to life and personal liberty. The court interpreted Article 21 broadly, stating that the right to life includes the right to live with dignity. It established that laws affecting personal liberty must be just, fair, and reasonable. Impact: enhanced protection of civil liberties, strengthened the concept of due process in Indian law. 3. Vishakha v. State of Rajasthan, 1997. Key issue: prevention of sexual harassment at the workplace. The court recognized sexual harassment as a violation of fundamental rights. It laid down the Vishakha guidelines to prevent workplace harassment, which later formed the basis of the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act, 2013. Impact: established legal protection for women in workplaces, promoted gender equality. 4. Shah Bano case, 1985. Key issue: maintenance rights of Muslim women. The court ruled in favor of Shah Bano, granting her maintenance under Section 125 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. It asserted that personal laws cannot override constitutional rights. Impact: sparked national debates on personal laws and gender justice, led to the enactment of the Muslim Women, Protection of Rights on Divorce Act, 1986. 5. S.R. Bommai v. Union of India, 1994. Key issue: Federalism and Precedents Rule. The court ruled that the proclamation of Precedents Rule under Article 356 is subject to judicial review. It reinforced the principle of federalism. Impact: limited misuse of Article 356. Strengthened federal governance. 6. Puthaswamy v. Union of India, 2017. Key issue: right to privacy. The Supreme Court declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right under Article 21. It emphasized that privacy is intrinsic to the right to life and personal liberty. Impact: enhanced digital privacy protection, influenced regulations on data protection and surveillance. 7. Navtej Singh Johar v. Union of India, 2018. Key issue: Decriminalization of Section 377. The court struck down Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code to decriminalize consensual same-sex relationships. It upheld the dignity and rights of the LGBTQ+ community. Impact: promoted equality and inclusion, advanced LGBTQ+ rights in India. 8. Indra Sohni v. Union of India, 1992. Key issue: reservation in government jobs. The court upheld the Mandal Commission report and established the concept of OBC, other backward classes, reservations. It capped reservations at 50%, ensuring a balance between merit and social justice. Impact: advanced social equality, promoted representation of marginalized communities,